Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about how to write Roman numerals 1 to 50. Let's start. Repeat after me children. 1 I 2 double I 3 1 2 3 triple I 4 I V 4 5 V 6 V I 6 7 V I 7 8 V I triple I 9 I X 9 10 X 11 X I 12 X I 13 X triple I 14 X I V 15 X V 16 X V I 17 X V double I 18 X V triple I 19 X I X 20 double X 21 double X I 22 double X double I 23 double X triple I 24 double X I V 25 double X V 26 double X V I 27 double X V double I 28 double X V triple I 29 double X I X 30 triple X 30 triple X 31 triple X I 32 triple X double I 33 triple X triple I 34 triple X IV 35 triple X V 36 triple X V I 37 triple X V double I 38 triple X V triple 8 39 triple X I X 40 x L x L 41 x L I 42 x L double I 43 x L triple I 44 x L I V 45 x L V 46 x L V I 47 x L V double I 48 x L V triple I 49 x L I X. Okay, 50 L 50 L. So like this we have to practice Roman numerals 1 to 50. Thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.